What's up, y'all? This Jody, right? So I'm here just to let y'all know I caved in and bought the Magic Keyboard for a whopping $349.99. Now, while I hate the fact that I paid so much for a keyboard, I kind of don't regret it. It is simple to use. It is not that lightweight though. It has a little weight to it. And the only thing that I find kind of weird, well, not really weird, I'm just mad that Apple didn't add like the escape key. And I'm taking it because you only slap your iPad on there and you can, do the touchscreen feature and kind of get out of whatever, I guess, apps that you're in instead of just hitting the escape key. But I actually like that feature because it kind of makes me feel like I'm typing on a laptop. But other than that, the keys have the same consistency as a laptop does. Everything is great, sleek, thin, nice. The design is great. And another thing that I love is the part for the charger, so you don't have to put the cable in on the other side where it would probably be annoying to see a cable hanging there. But I love the charging feature on the side there, so you could just put your cable wire in and it's fully charged. Now, don't talk about my laptop screen because, child, it is really, really greasy. I use a lot of grease on my hands during the day because I work from home. So as you can see, it's on my beads and it's on my laptop. But anyways, the keyboard, it's so nice. It really, really feels as if I'm typing on my MacBook. But yeah, it's nice. It's cute and it's very durable. The only thing is the edges, not much protection, but again, really great buy and I don't regret it. So thanks for watching.
I look like a bag of money I'm on. They wanna know what I'm on. Diamonds dancing in my